Welcome. If you want to send data from Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 to Motorola smartphone, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data, and we are going to use the application named CLONEit, so we have to download it on both smartphones. Of course, from the Google Play Store. I just did it, and right now I'm going to open this application on both smartphones. And right now click sender on the Samsung, because we are sending data from Samsung Galaxy A9 2018, and receiver on your Motorola phone. Tap on the search again, and right now we are waiting because our smartphones are going to connect. Okay, click on the Android share icon, and as you can see we get two ways to connect. We can input the password is here, but also we can scan the QR code, and I'm going with the QR code because this is the fastest way. Right now accept the request on your Samsung, and if you want to send everything from the Samsung, you have to click on all of these icons and tap on the start, but there's only example, so I'm going below for the details. Move to the photo, unselect all, and right now I will take these two screenshots. Click on the start, OK, and it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.